please subscribe.
This is a wood/coal boiler, and you're seeing the inside water jacket. There's a leak, water leak, so I'm gonna try welding that and see if that will stop that from leaking. The water jacket's pressurized with about 25 psi, so it's gonna show any type of leaks, and that's what I'm just looking for. And then I'm gonna take a wire brush, clean them up, and then try to MIG weld them. When the stove was made, those studs were welded in, so those are how they bolt them to the furnace, the outer wall. And it looks like the metal is probably starting to wear there. I mean, this stove's from 1983. I'm gonna MIG weld it, so I'm just trying to figure out right where I want to MIG weld it. So it's pressurized, and now I can see the water starting to leak out right on the top there. So that's where I'm going to start to MIG it. I'm going to try to MIG that seam, at least put a spot on it. So I'm going to have to be somewhat of a contortionist to get up in there. So it's at the top of the water jacket. So I got to kind of like weasel in there and kind of bend my, sideways to get up in there. Here's my first go at it. I put a tack. I let it sit for a little bit. It started to leak again a little bit. So then I came back and added more. Then I took a grinder and I just ground the spot as best as I could. So it should be good for now.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.